Hello genius, welcome back to my channel. Here's a challenge for you. In this challenge, I will check your general knowledge about animals. Only animal lovers get score 30 out of 30. Let's see how many did you get correctly. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe, like and share video. Which animal makes honey? Bee or wasp? It's bee. Which animal has the longest neck? Camel or giraffe? That's right, giraffe. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion or tiger? Lion is the correct answer. Which bird can fly backwards? Parrot or hummingbird? Amazing! It's hummingbird. Which animal has 3 hearts? Octopus or squid? Octopus has 3 hearts. Which animal is the fastest land runner? Leopard or cheetah? Cheetah, the fastest land animal. Which mammal can actually fly? Bat or flying squirrel? It's bat. Which animal changes its color to hide? Chameleon or iguana? Well done. Chameleon is correct. Which sea animal is the biggest on Earth? Blue whale or giant squid? Blue whale. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? Koala or kangaroo? It's kangaroo. Which animal is famous for building dams? Beaver or otter? Beaver is the correct answer. Which bird cannot fly? Eagle or ostrich? That's ostrich. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra or horse? Correct, it's zebra. Which reptile can survive for months without food? Crocodile or lizard? Crocodile. Which animal sleeps hanging upside down? Bat or monkey? Nice one. It's bat. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Crocodile or hippopotamus? crocodile has the strongest bite? Which insect builds giant underground colonies? Termite or beetle? Termite is correct. Which animal is famous for its memory? Elephant or rhino? That's right, elephant. Which animal can regrow a lost arm? Starfish or crab? Starfish. Which animal has a shell and moves very slowly? Snail or frog? It's snail. Which animal can survive the longest without drinking water? Camel or horse? Camel is the correct answer. Which animal uses echolocation to hunt at night? Bat or owl? It's bat. Which animal has a blue tongue? Giraffe or panda? Giraffe. Which animal is famous for laughing like sounds? Hyena or wolf? It's hyena. Which animal can run shortly after it's born? Horse or rabbit? Horse is correct. Which animal is the largest wild cat? Lion or tiger? Tiger. Which animal can walk on water? Basilisk, lizard or gecko? That's basilisk lizard. Which animal has teeth that never stop growing? Rabbit or fox? Rabbit is the correct answer. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? Sperm whale or dolphin? It's sperm whale. Which animal is the deadliest to humans every year? Mosquito or shark? Mosquito.
If you survived this, like the video and subscribe for the next challenge.